Kublai P Baro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco Media Network. Mat ke bakong san mentah kasngi kilong. Mang baha ke Meghalaya arspa South Hoklur tengka yakinong repsentiu. Khethia ke sorkar Jylla endala bambril karyat rengan. Mardor tong ki pulit ANTF yakinong khayidrok haten song balapan ap hajawai. Ban ngo ki menteri sorkar yakinong di madan hakayo betama. Bat mentang ini pai segi Khubor ke bakhamnya. Hak jinglet jingo menteri rangba konrat ke sangma bat ke menteri garap karyang kong amprin lengdo ya ka Shillong mau kriya kila kular bat yathu pat ba baka sorkar Jylla kalamang arspa sauphok lur tengka na kebenta ban penslur yakinong representiu hakeleng ke Jylla. Na kani ga bai seng lakmi lenti kan kersoi bai yo nong hadu henrius pak lur tengka lakhen antad menteri rangba. Nado uleber hajar pusau kumbasan spa ngutam kinong representiu kila yo jengkershan mar nyeulak tengka ulaong. Ka sorkar kan sekershan bai seng ya ka kam representiu kumba lai hajar ngut hakini kisnamban wan ulaya thu. Kiwei pat ke jengkershan bai seng ka sorkar kilong ya kinong repsen rai lakadong.
So by the way, we got you to stay some time and come and visit us is money once in a
sustaining mission, yes. Now, like this, if the money comes in and every year we can keep helping another 10, 15, 20, 100 farmers. So,
yeah. That also helped you with this, for this, or did you use it for that?
So this
you
comes
already
with the
before?
package. This entire thing comes with all that.
Okay.
The greenhouse, the drip irrigation, the bed preparation.
That's something. So all that was given by the through the. So this guy, that's a guy, is it?
No, ladybird is actually there.
I know.
Yeah, I
So
get your
lady,
point.
I know ladies. But you said ladies are okay, guys are not. Is it? So this drip irrigation you put.
Yes, sir.
How much does it cost you to put this up?
It costs us 47,000 rupees, and it's an Israeli system, Metafin Israel.
Okay.
Which is now being. So be a bit careful, sir.
Yeah. So you guys want to take the video here?
Yes, sir, we can take.
Huh?
Yes.
You guys go.
So
that
this.
side. Oh, is it? He's a good guy.
Oh, he leave the flower.
Flower. Oh, is it?
Come.
Your enemy.
Oh, he is this insect like this insect here.
Yes, sir.
So how do you the polyhouse protects it?
Yeah, it's the door must have been opened. Okay. And this thing must have just flown in. Okay.
So we have come here to the third beneficiary of the floriculture mission, and this is another polyhouse. And the lady here, Kong, she is the owner of this polyhouse and these flowers. And very soon she'll be getting good money out of these flowers.
Yes.
Wow.
As tall as yeah.
So through the floriculture mission, today we are supporting a large number of farmers to put up infrastructure to be able to grow flowers like these. I'm right now here in this farm, in this polyhouse where we're growing lilium flowers, and it's doing exceptionally well. And there are many farmers who are working very hard, and with a little bit of support from the government today, this is becoming a huge source of income for the farmers. And we will continue to support our farmers. We have tied up with different partners so that we are able to take these products to different parts of the country. And slowly and steadily, this mission is becoming a really, in one way, a successful mission where a large number of farmers are benefiting. I also want to share with you that when it came to the lilium flowers, we have been told that the quality of the flowers grown here in Meghalaya is one of the best in the country because of the kind of soil, the kind of climatic conditions that are there. The buyers are preferring flowers from here, from our state of Meghalaya. So I also take this opportunity to encourage other farmers. Take this opportunity. The government is supporting you under the floriculture mission. Large number of farmers will be supported. Close to 240 crores has been budgeted for this. And through this, we hope to really help our farmers. And
Usembut Menteri Rangba bakmi ya katanat PWD roads ba prestun tensong ula ketia andala bam kriat rengan sangut kimensim beriau hakamit lai tarik Nailar. Mentah ula betha ya ke NHIDCL ka company bapentre ya ka surok ban budak ki basyai bat ki batikena ha ki jaka badon ki jingma ha shilenter ka surok Shillong penursla. Kani ke jing betha kalawan hadin balahap ka kali hariat rengan balayap sangut kimensim beriau hakamit singiu blai. Ya kini sangut langut letep haleng kerdam bat arngut hasoyong hakajan mit santarik Nailar. Uba prestun ula paru ya kejing ngolem syaki bahayeng hasem. Ula pan jing te pahalor kadaw jong kani kejing ja.
Has taken place last night, maybe at around 7:15 to 7:30. And that time I was informed by the SDU Civil and the SDPO that it was so foggy. The moment they crossed this Nailar, it was so foggy. Of course, there was no rain, but it seems while going down, there was also one truck. Then it seems they wanted to overpass that. So unfortunately, they went down to the off the road and leading to the death of 5 people. Yes, that one, if in fact from time to time I call a meeting. And in fact, since last week I fixed a meeting today also with the concerned authorities, be it NHIDCL, be it the company who was allotted the work for construction. So today I had a meeting with them. In fact, we fixed the meeting since last, as I said, since last week, and this incident happened just last night. So I've already instructed to the concerned contractor as well as to the NHSL. Not only that, I've instructed even the SDO Civil and the SDPO to make sure, and I think day after tomorrow or something, CE NH also, we will go and inspect those vulnerable places wherever needed. They will make sure that the signage is properly displayed in such areas. My grief, my condolences to the bereaved family, and moreover, almost the whole family was killed with this incident. So I would request to all of you also to understand the reality. As I said to you, let us wait till the report is given to us, and we will see what is to be done. We're waiting for the detailed report from the SDO Civil, from the SDPO, then we will accordingly see what is to be done. But my meeting today with the concerned construction company as well as the NHSL is that make sure that the signage has to be properly placed in such vulnerable places wherever we.
Hadin balayo gijing tip patikna neki sentiat neki arngut kinong khayidrok bashir kay ki basyong haka boss MTC night super neki than silshar cha Shillong ki pulit anti narcotics task force ANTF bat ki pulit na jowai kilapan upshrip bat kilatong ya Milton chakraborti lai pusausnam balasin kumulaki badi ukasi mudin arpun reusnam haka tensong ha jowai na kini arngut layo kem sanpuar pon gram udrok heroin. Kini kirunar kilami hakamit lai tarik nasil char bat kilapoi haka south bajimin mit hajawai haka south tarik Nailar bat ki pulit ANTF bat pulit na jawai kila kem suk yaki nakataka boss MTC night super ML not lai not iway prakandai. Nakamet jo ukasi mudin lalap arteli ki sup case kaway na pla patron bat kaway pat utengkap hasyirkat. Katba na Milton layo lai teri ki sup case ki ba ulat tengkap hasyirkat. Ukasi mudin usaha Punjabi Lane Shillong, badu Milton usaha Assam Rifle Bazaar, Happy Valley Madang Riting Shillong. Ki pulit kila penrung mokot duma yakini arngut haki kendon ain beper jangka narcotics, drugs and psychotropic substances NDPS Act kat kendai spak proposan. Hadin balamang jaka yakinong de madan hakrum jaka yang kali kemuda hakasan tarik Nailar usenrop Menteri Rangba ba sniaw Bhalangdhar bat Menteri Tourism ba Polengdo kila let pet yakini kinong de dukan. Kila yakren bat kini kinong di dukan bat kila keli perthau yakadi kathiet jongki.
Pani ni.
Nice to see you all.
Arshipau hajar tengka lasang ke sorkar Jylla lengba usin rob Menteri Rangba Snia Balangdhar badu Menteri Tourism ba Pol Lengdo Syakinong de Madan kibala kendria jaka syakayo batamai.
Tentang yang ini kilong kumei, kilong pa, di Samla, di Samla ni, hidup kami kilong di Madan. Keren berarti ini program kamlong ke bajak. Ngai kumei kerpang itu boro. Nado nak kasih di sedang ni yang ini survey. Bila menti kau besar jangan. Accordingly kat kumurkong kat kumujatahan dari. Maka kasih pengapan pau di song sarong di song mentum orban misar jopi. Sibentala nila nono nila dari ketiga job lang barawi. Ini ke program lah dari kum yang revolution advance misung tu imla kan ai sibun dari kum gadak jong kejingkimen kum gadak jong kejingjob kum gadak jong disong pialan yang dibujung ini sekat bala amau nak sorkat ke jong. Ngai ku bledo agini gisi por la dan hal don katubani kejingwet kejingput tak ko binang kerja andai habakut kalong kita sukses. Namar baru ini ngajudon di bawah yang office ma balai di be yang di berujungi yang be bingi be. We are trying to put them in the right place and the right locations. Teng asauran, teng asauran mga yait sa niya di porlan lake. Asauran kumuno ilang jompi nga ibide hasurok pisong hasurok pitiya hasurok iba hasurok. Ang no ni kum kino yalam ni hable ay nagtagi kon dikti jongi hawat ni la ban ay kum ki expect an itongin pisang manra ang sakal kambiang niya officially winning zone kumbang ngani to ya bi ni dio kala det ta saw san si pimi to e galok jonga kaleyo bapi yang ni tangkal bor kala fit bon makara si akan to e ngaro ni peniba ki brujung ki ban long ki badat ko bin hang si banwan hawai kala man kita asipor kala man kita asipor kumulong nong pang kapor nong lai surgery kapang ni hanen na debet yo sak balong serta bat kejing ko agi midai data kum sorta sekawai orang sudah kot di meeting hani tiaw baladet dari ke officer dengan pet bah kajaka jo ni wedding zo kade ban khot kade ban plia kade ban beng kumba mumbi kade ban beng kala sibiru na de kini program minle lang stenga bar minisang ni sape kanu ka problem please free to come to me to Paul to my officer we will try to help you at the maximum possibility kat kabila na kentiu ma koro e katukani don katukani ki jongi ki bergupat don lang kejo kro bandai na wer lang yawan lang nak mata kecing ba na kecing song sarong dai kejong no dai kejong nga kejong pi da wan kinong wan kam tam na ba kinong ka khotat ka sor Shillong don show mana mo song sarong we are feeling proud all of us and it's our collective responsibility to make sure good things should happen in our beautiful city ngaju ong man ka ba ker man ki program ka sor Shillong himna ban chain. No one can do it, but everyone can do it. And this is the time that we have done today. Thank you so much for all of you. Namang nag-orban na bakat ban ayrong ikatukan ni building private bandon ka ayrong ro. Ning personal monitor katukan ni sakay mapat biyang. And I request you all of you, please behave with us as a government. Don't kapor bila malaikat ki ing ajong don't kapor ka support here. And please remember, problem is always to be solved on the table, not on the road. Just like how we make a key, there is no key without locks to open the locks. And similarly, there is no problem without solution. Am I right? and we are here to help to protect our Khubor people. Khuborjylla kumang ba pondai ke pau ban yakren. Hanai nga saubang ban yatho ban pau bisok man kijonga. We are moving in the right directions.
Kaseng Ribhoy People's Council RBPC hapo kajingalam u President Samla Jason Lennox Nongrum menta kasngi kalalit banyakendo ya Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy harangkar kajing IT ya kashithi ujor bandawa tokit bania ahalor kajingdon ka night club batki kam khalai ba panya ha Queen Hotel Jorabat lengba ka Pine Club. Kate kajinglet kendo jong Karibhoy People's Council RBPC ya u Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy kaderu tang hadin shisngi ba Karibhoy People's Council RBPC kalapan pau ya kajing persya kabajur ya kajing play ya ka Pine Club kabadon ha Queen Hotel Hajarabad lengba kilat pathai Khubor. Usamla Jason Lennox Nongrum habakran sya kilat pathai Khubor ulaong baka seng ka persya jur ya ka jingple ya ka Pine Club ka badon ha Queen Hotel Hajarabad bahab ha uput usam ka shnong mausmai bat kum ka seng kalami ban persya jurru kadai halor kanong rim baki don ki kam khalai bean bat ka night club bakum ka seng kam la ban priang bandon kitei ki kam bean.
Sakisian kumba nakaliang juga Ribhoy People's Council menin hatin ketika press statement Khuborjylla ai Jylla batai ya ki pai bang Shillong yung kadong bagat han Ribhoy kalor ka ai ka bangi ki seng ki lap akini ki singi ki baladam ya ka ai ka bangi kran menen kumsi benta ban budien ya ka kam mata singi Jylla yo ban wani kendu ya Deputy Commissioner sa Abirash Baranwang ban IT ya i daga dorkas ban ya thu ya ka ga bakum gaseng ni don ban snow menen la shisha Jylla keren Henry kali lumaki lap thai Khubor kam shim don ka formal get ka jingi kendu ka ba mat tadi Henry mentagasni Jylla yo nadu menen shisha la yo ban keren Henry mentagasni ka jimbun kam misungu ya iso ba Jylla ai ni ka space ban snap ban sha skori ka ga bakum gaseng ni don pau te nakalian juga seng ni la IT im takasi daka jingtho ka petition hakaba Jylla kedau hang tu ya ka iga bakum ka seng ni sngo ya ka iga bangi nyelap ni syam ya ka iga ba ka dong bat than manta ka perkhat ki pai ba manta kum ki perkhat Jylla pen sngo ya iso sngo tenat banong ba i sar disi i long patience ba Jylla sngap iga iga seng ka pen pau bat habidi bakani ka kam Jylla ya thu ba kajing tokit kala dang yai ka investigation menta ka inquiry ka ba iso ya thu menta dan ki magistrate ki ba Jylla bu na office ban tokit ya ka kam tila ya thu yang iba kajing tokit ka ya syahman ha ka bakum ka ni kapor ya ka iga ba ka seng Jylla ban pau ka long tang ka jinget ya ka agency bahkan tokit da ka jing kuit jing suba bahkan keren ya ka jing shisha ba dia ka hok ya ka iga baki kilap kin pengi ya kata ko mga ong ayepi namar ba ibun kam shumla iyo nyim shumla iyo kata kapor ka ban yathir sani ba Andre Jylla iyo pat ban bu iga jingkeli hakini ki liat singi ki baladab nadu bakimi ki Khubor ka iga baka office kalap te ka iga bangi keli ya i so long ba hako kata ka jing ya shat miet ka don em kata ka di ka bam ka don em kata ka jing khalai ka don em bat nakaliang jong EDC le se hadu menta kumba i ong ba ka jing tokit kampat kot Henry ka finding ka jong i kalong ba lap bakadon kata kajing kai poker lap kata kajing kai romi kaba clearly kadi ka kami khalai bar ku mga ong ayapi ki kami khalai hangtei pat authorize da kanu ka department newat naki dorbar shnong ku mga kado menen baka dorbar shnong kum shumla mention hai ruem ba ya ka NOC la wanra lang ya itu i provision ban ailat iki ban ya khalai te kani clearly mentak asing ni confirm ni tikna na EDC ba kadon kata ka jingil kai romi kadon ka jingil kai poko te ngila shkuntu ya iso ba kani ka jing tokit menta kadi ben long ha kadur ka balong transparent ka bakhui
Badak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syakapakun tak hadu bangin daya syambiang Khublei Shibun.